Back like you owe your tax. Owe me 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 back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up, 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 back it up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tanya, aka Diablo Verde, and today you're gonna watch how to curl your synthetic wigs using a flat iron. Yes, a flat iron. A lot of people don't know that a lot of synthetic wigs, especially the ones with Futura fiber, you can treat it just like human hair, girl. So it's no need to be spending all these big bucks, okay? $500, $300, $200, $500, $600 for your bundles. I mean, yeah, it's nice to have at least 1 or 2 good human hair wigs, but sis, on a daily basis, your synthetic wigs will do just fine, okay? Your synthetic will do just fine. And if you can't afford human hair wigs, that's okay, because I got you. I got you on how to make your synthetic wigs look natural. Before we go ahead with the tutorial, go ahead and hit that subscription button down below and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Hey guys, let's get this tutorial popping. What you're gonna need is your wig head, some hair clips, and of course your flat iron. You want to have her no more than 320, 330 degrees, just to be on the safe side with the synthetic lace wigs, okay? Once you do the curl, you want to hold it like I just did. You want to hold it until it cools down a bit, and then you can drop it. Otherwise, if you drop it while it's still hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. All right, let's bet. If you drop it while it's hot, it will not hold the curl and it'll just be like a loose wave. If that's what you're going for, hey, you got it that way. But for a more tighter curl, you want to make sure you hold it until it cools down. I just want to apologize ahead of time for the way my video looks. I started adjusting some of the stuff with my camera, trying to make it a little bit more vibrant, and I think I OD'd on it, and so I may look a little yellow or orange in some segments of this video, but trust me, I will get it together, okay? I will get it together. Continue watching and stay blessed. Back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up. Just to back it. Back it up. Back it up. Back like you owe your tax. Owe me 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 back like you owe your tax. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So 3 days later, so yeah, I finally got the time to record this video so y'all can see the end result of the wig on me. But I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial on how to
curl your synthetic lace wig. Again, I've had this wig for a while. I only wore it for a review, and I couldn't resell it because I had already flattened her out a little bit. So I will put the link to that original video in the description box so you can reference what it looks like. If you decide to purchase her, you'll reference what it looks like once you initially get it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up so we can do this, okay? I just braided my hair, and like my hair is still straight, so I just braided it in 2 cornrows and put my stocking cap on. That's all I need to do. Yeah, so this is what she looks like. I already kind of combed her out because I want to see how it looks. Oh my god, it's so vibrant. It's so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. I had to do the eye makeup for this too. I had to, girl. I have to, okay? So this is what she looks like. Let me go ahead and slap her on my head.
Back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up, 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 just to back it, just to back it, just to back it, just to back it. Jordan, say what you price, just to back it up. You can put my eyes. Jordan, say what you price, just to back it up. You can put my eyes. Jordan, say what you price. It's a wig. I did pluck the hairline, but there's like this little bit of hairline, so it really don't even matter that I plucked it. But I decided to do a middle part. Alright, so this is her. I don't even know what I should rename her. I think the original name was like Leah or something like that. And this ain't no Leah no more, okay? This ain't no Leah no more. I don't know what her name was, to be honest. I'm making up stuff. But this definitely ain't what it used to be. So we're going to rename her. So comment down below what her new name should be, okay? I hope y'all got to like this tutorial. If you learned a thing or two from this video, please comment down below what you learned. That way I know I'm doing something right. I know I'm doing something. If you want to see how to wash and revamp your wigs after you've worn them for a while, please click the card above or go ahead and click the link down in the description box, whichever one works best for you. Also follow me on Instagram where you'll see more pics and updates of the units I wear and makeup looks I do. Love you guys so much.